So running data on Kubernetes I would say, has been changing a lot, right? At the beginning, there were some doubts, some concerns, and nowadays it's a much different landscape. So all the concerns, all the conventional wisdom that you should not run stateful workloads on Kubernetes, I would say this time has passed. People have to understand that there's definitely ways for running data on Kubernetes. Now, the specific challenges that we have right now is not to dispel myths, but rather to understand what changes at the core data applications. For example, speaking about databases, which is my most interested topic, how you adapt databases that were designed potentially many years ago, relational databases that are not adapted to run on Kubernetes. So it's a bit of solving a little bit of, or more than a little bit of impedance mismatch between the design of more traditional relational databases and how they run on Kubernetes. This sounds too abstract, right? But there are certain topics that we can adapt. For example, all the logging capabilities or managing of SSL certificates or observability. All these topics are very well entrenched into the CNCF, the Kubernetes ecosystem right now. There's specific tools for all these areas, but the databases bring them all or partially bundled. So there's this impedance mismatch, how you handle this in a more monolith database versus how you can run them on Kubernetes. And there might be ways in which we can adapt them and adapt these databases to work in a more Kubernetes-friendly way.